seeing eye. I'm ALsiris, your guide to decoding the universe's hidden truths, where numbers speak, symbols reveal, and the unseen becomes clear. If you're ready to uncover the mysteries of numerology, the occult, and beyond, you're in the right place. Let's break through this matrix together. Today I'll be teaching you a simple trick to help you memorize the numerology chart like a pro. I promise you. You know what? I guarantee by the end of this video, you'll master the entire numerology chart like a pro with my simple mnemonic trick. So just think of the numbers 1, 2, and 3 as Air Jordan's B2K and the board game Clue. I know it might be confusing right now, but I'm gonna show you in just a minute. Meet me at the board. All right, so grab a piece of paper and a pencil and follow me while I guide you through this numerology chart. In numerology, there's 9 numbers, and each letter of the alphabet is assigned to a number, and each number holds its own frequency. So I'm gonna fill out the chart for you. This is how you would fill it out at home if you want to decode a name or anything, right? So you'll start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and then you'll repeat it right here, J, A, L, Y, Z, all right? That's how you'll write out the numerology chart. And let's just do an example real fast, okay? So say a person name is Tina, okay? So the T is in the 2 column. The I is in the 9 column. The N is in the 5 column. And the A is in the 1 column. So what you'll do in numerology, you will add until you get to a single digit, unless it's one out of the 3 master numbers. Master number 11, master number 22, or master number 33. You don't reduce to a single digit when you have master numbers in your name. But with this one, let's add this together. You got 10, 15, 17. Then you reduce to a single digit, which is 8, because 1 plus 7 is 8. Now, the 8 frequency, anybody that have the 8 frequency, that's power. So 8 represents power. Let's do another one. What if your name is John? J is in the 1 column, O is in the 6 column, H is in the 8 column, N is in the 5 column. So now you have 1 plus 6, that's 7, plus 8, that's 15, plus 5, that's 20. So if a person name is John, it holds the frequency of a 2. And the 2, that's harmony. That's a companion. Now, what about my name? ALsiris. We have 1. L is in the 3 column. S is in the 1 column. I is in the 9 column. R is in the 9 column. I is in the 9 column. And S is in the 1 column. So let's add this together. We got 27, 9 plus 9 plus 9, that's 27. Then we have 30. 1, 2, 3. So the numeric value of ALsiris equals 33. And remember I told you if it's a master number, you don't reduce to a single digit. So this right here, the number 33, is the master teacher. All right? So what you guys should do, decode your name. But do you want to know what frequencies is behind each number? I'll show you. Now the 1 holds the frequency of the leader. The 2 holds the frequency of the companion. The 3 column holds the frequency of the communicator. The 4 column holds the frequency of the builder. 5 hold the frequency of the freedom lovers. 6 holds the frequency of the nurturers. 7 column holds the frequency of the seekers. 8 column holds the frequency of power. And 9 holds the frequency of the visionary. So now that you have the frequencies of each number, let me show you the mnemonic trick. See, when I look at numbers and when I look at the numerology chart, for example, over here, I see patterns. So what I did just like Pim does, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, I use that with the numerology chart. I'll show you. In the one column, that's Air Jordans. And you want to know why? Because Air Jordans is AJS. Air Jordans. So that's the one column. Now two, that's B2K. Remember in the 2000s, Omarion, the boy group, B2K? BKT. B2K, BTWOK. Then when I saw the three column, immediately I saw clue. Like the board game, without the E. 4, I saw Department of Motor Vehicles, V. 5, I saw the word new, E and W. 6, I saw Fox, like Fox News. 7, that's GPS, GPY, without the S. 8, that's headquarters, HQZ. And 9, that's the IRS, without the S. You see, it's that simple. So the one column, that's Air Jordans. The 2 column, that's B2K. The 3 column, the board game Clue. The 4th column, that's the Department of Motor Vehicles. The 5th column, NEW, that's new. Fox, GPS, which is GPY, headquarters, and IRS. That's how I like to simplify things. And let me do a couple examples without the numerology chart so I could show you in real time. Let's do the name Jay-Z. J, that's Air Jordans. Remember AJS? So that's 1, 1. Remember GPY, GPS, that's 7. Z, headquarters, HQZ. So the numeric value of Jay-Z's name, 15, 16, 17. Remember, you reduce down to a single digit, so it will be 1 plus 7 equals 8. So his expression number, because that's what it's called, your name, numeric value of your full name or the name you go by is called your expression number, right? So Jay-Z, he holds the 8 frequency, power. And we already know what Jay-Z is all about. Now let's see. What about his wife, Beyonce? Remember B2K? 5 is new. GPY, like GPS, that's 7. O is Fox, FOX, that's 6. N, remember new, that's 5. C, Clue, CLU, that's 3. Then E is new. So what do we have here? We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 33. So the numeric value of Beyonce, 33. And that's the master teacher frequency. Or it could be for something else. 33 degree Mason, something, I don't know. What do you think? Now let's do the FBI. Fox, that's 6. 2K, 2. IRS, 9. And what do we have here? Plus 2, that's 8. Plus 9, that's 17. Equals 8. Power. Now what about CIA? C is Clue, that's 3. I is 9. A is 1. 9 plus 3, that's 12. Plus 1, 13. 1 plus 3 equals 4. They got the frequency of the builder. Oh, my bad. Bad arrow. But yeah, you know what I mean. Hey, give me a name.
P. Diddy.
P. Diddy?
Diddy.
Okay, let's do Sean. Okay, we're going to do Sean. All right, let's do Sean.
His real name, okay.
Yes, Sean. Let's do Sean Combs. All right, so we got 1, 5, 1, 5. 3, 6, 4, 2, 1. So right here we have 5, 10, 11, 12 equals 3. Then we have 10, 13, 14, 15, 16 equals 7. So the expression, his expression number of his full name will be 3 plus 7 equals 10 equals 1. So he has the leader mentality. Jesus. Air Jordans, AJS, that's in the 1 column. New, that's in the 5th column. S is in the Air Jordan column, 1. 3, Clue, 1. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11. 6, 7, 10, 11. Remember I told you in numerology, you don't reduce master numbers. Master number 11, 22, or 33 doesn't get reduced. So Jesus, that name holds the frequency of the master spiritualist. All right, let's do Kobe. Everybody know Kobe. The numeric value of K, that's B2K. Fox is 6, B2K. 5 is new. We have 8, 9, 10, 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. The name Kobe holds the frequency of the nurturers. All right, now let's do one last name. And this goes out to the Black Dot and Malcolm, Urban X TV. So I'm gonna do the numeric value of the Black Dot. Move all of this up. So we got 2, 8, 5, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 2. 13, 14, 15. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 5. So we got 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Now we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Master number. So we got master number 11. 4 plus 6 plus 2, that's 12. So we have 3, 4, 5 plus 5, that's 10, 11. So the numeric value of the Black Dot is 11. That's master spiritualist. So his expression number, he goes by the Black Dot, his expression number is 11. Now I was going to end the video and do another video of how to teach you guys how to calculate your life path number, because that's one of the most important numbers other than your birthday number, you know. So how you calculate your life path number. For example, my birthday is June 14, 1987. So what you'll do is you'll add each number until you get to a single digit. Well, you'll add and then you'll reduce to a single digit. So let's see. Excuse me, mommies.
Yeah.
I'm recording, okay?
Okay.
All right. So now we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because 6 plus 5 equals 11. Then we have 10 right here. From the 1 plus 9, that's 10. And then we have 8 and 7, that's 15. So what do you get? 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. So my life path number is a 9. That's connected to the visionary, or many numerologists link that to the humanitarian number. Now, if you want to learn numerology, I recommend Lord Strayhorn. You can get this book right here. Lord Strayhorn, Numbers in You, or King Simon book. You know, they some excellent numerologists. And that's a wrap. Now you got the ultimate cheat code to remembering the numerology chart. Whether it's Air Jordans or the IRS, these associations will keep those numbers and letters locked in your mind. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share the wisdom. Stay curious, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe. Peace and light. Until next time.